off the intro. We don't have time for it. We have late breaking news. This news is so late in breaking that we're actually using different camera angles. Now shut up, MC Gamer. This news is so late in breaking that it's pregnant. We have live here in the studio 16-time world heavyweight champ. Yo, Cameron, I'm real happy for you. I'm gonna let you finish, but TNMC Productions has some of the best videos of all time. Of all time. Well, damn it.